If your child knows their letter sounds before they start school, they are significantly more likely to be successful at reading all the way through elementary school. Research shows that early sound knowledge is one of the strongest predictors of high reading achievement. That's why in this video, I'm going to give you 4 early reading activities that you can do with your toddler to set them up for strong reading success later. As a reading specialist, I always tell parents to really focus on getting their child to learn the letter's sounds, instead of only focusing just on the letter's name. This will make a world of a difference when they start learning to read. So the first 2 activities we'll do today are perfect for kids who are just starting to learn their letter sounds. And the last 2 activities are for kids who have grasped a few letter sounds and are ready to start putting them together. So the first activity uses body movement to start learning new letter sounds. This will help your child to double their ability to remember the letter's sound just because they're adding body movement. Now, we're going to need snowballs for this activity. So I'm actually going to use my dryer balls, and if you have something similar at home, you can do that as well. You're going to choose 2 letters, and you can either use letter stickers or you can even draw on it with washable marker of sounds that you want your child to remember. Choose an action for that letter that your child will do every time that you throw that snowball to them. So for the letter M, we're going to do and for the letter S, we're going to do S. If you want to know the actions that I use when I teach letter sounds, check out my letter sounds phonics song that will help your child to remember all of these sounds by sound and by sight. So once you've got your snowballs and actions all ready to go, you can start your snowball toss. Every time you roll or throw a snowball to your child, have them look at the ball, make it sound an action, and then throw it back to you. This is such a fun way to get your child to visually see a letter and remember the sound that it makes. Feel free to add a 3rd or a 4th snowball in there as your child is ready. So now that your child has mastered seeing a letter and remembering its sound, let's do it in reverse. For this activity, they'll listen for the sound and then figure out which letter you're talking about. So first, we're going to bring in some of the snow from outside and put it in a bucket. Fill a spray bottle with water and a few drops of food coloring. Trace the shapes of the letters that you're working on into the snow. Say the sound of one of the letters and have your child figure out which letter it is and then squirt it with their spray bottle. Say another sound and have them do it again. Keep doing this until the letters are fully filled in. This really tunes your child's ear to hear a sound and then associate it with a written letter. Now, once your child is recognizing letters both by their sight and their sound, they're ready to start putting those together, and we're going to do that with a snowman naming activity. You'll need some letter circles and a snowman for this activity. You can draw them yourself, or I've got a printable set that's free in the description below that you can just print and go. Have your child choose 2 letters if they're brand new to blending, or 3 if they're ready for a little bit of a challenge. Tell your child we're going to put them on the snowman to find out his name. Once your child has placed the letters down, have them blend the sounds together. Blend them slowly without any spaces in between, and then see if your child can figure out the snowman's name by putting those sounds together quickly.
Sam.
Sam.
You blended that so well.
It's a funny name.
This skill of blending sounds together will lay such a strong foundation for when your child learns to read. Now, the last activity is my toddler's favorite. Take an ice tray and put a few letters into each section. Try to use a vowel and a consonant if your child is working with 2 letters. And if they're ready for 3, use 1 vowel and 2 consonants. Tell your child that they need to rescue the frozen words. They can use a dropper with warm water to reveal the frozen letters and then challenge them to blend them together to see what words were trapped. You can even rearrange the letters in different ways to hear new silly words, which just gives them extra practice with blending. I have more early reading activities that you can check out in this video if you want more. And if your child loves learning through music and actions, have them practice their letter sounds and actions with this video. There's even a challenge for them at the end to see if they can remember all their letter sounds that they've learned. So if you think your child's ready for that, watch these videos next.